Letchmi Estate, an emerald route to Munnar. You can travel to Munnar through the old Rajapada. This tea garden is like a green sea, a peaceful path through these emerald fields. This is Letchmi Estate. The most beautiful route on Rajapada to Munnar is through this tea garden. There are many reasons why this trip is so popular with tourists. One of them is the meditative drive that leads to Munnar. Traffic is seldom in this route. It is a road not many have traveled. The second thing is that this is an old royal road, present part of old Alua-Munnar route. The old Alua-Munnar road passed through the Kuttampura-Puyamkutti section of Ernakulam district. But road traffic came to a standstill when a mountain called Karindiri fell during the flood in 1924. Later, the new route via Neriyamangalam came up. Before reaching Adimali, turn from Kallar to Mangulam path. The beautiful river where the elephants bathe and the small streams at Mangulam are to be enjoyed on this route. If you drive to the right from a small intersection called Viripara on Mangulam Road, you will reach Letchmi Estate. It is a beautiful way. The shortest route to Munnar was surveyed by the British at that time. The road has sudden climbs only in a few places. The design of this road is easy for horse carts and bullock carts. That is why there are tea plantations along the road level. On the hills beyond, there are shola forests with the beauty of dark green. The distance from Mangulam to Munnar is 27 kilometers. The first sight on this route is Viripara Falls. This small waterfall is officially known as Kainagiri. The waterway in the middle of the tea plantations has a connection with Kainakari in Alappuzha district. Kainagiri got its name because a rich family of Kainakari bought an estate near this mountain. Take the ticket and start walking with the flow of the stream. You can bathe in the beautiful Kainagiri waterfall, which cascades over the rocks in many tiers. Children can slide off the rocks. This area is clean. There will be slippage on the rock. Be very careful to walk. A washroom facility is provided here for families to change their bathing clothes. There is only one way to Munnar through Letchmi Estate. Greenery on both sides. Seeing cows grazing gives the feeling of being in some foreign location. Seldom can we see the faces of plantation workers plucking tea leaves in the traditional way. At first glance, you can tell that this is a meticulously maintained garden. The road is narrow. We can drive small cars through this road. Those who enjoy the drive from Letchmi Estate are those who want to see the real Munnar without the hustle and bustle. A path free of electric posts and garbage. A silence where nothing but the sounds of nature reach the ear. It is a part of the Kannan Devan Hills. One must drive through Letchmi Estate at least once. Letchmi Estate Road will reach the junction near KSRTC depot towards Munnar. It is a lonely road. BSNL connection has range. Food can be obtained from Mangulam or Viripara junction. Buy soft drinks and water from here. Choose this route during daytime only. Do not deposit plastic or other garbage here. There are no major intersections anywhere along the way. Generally, no one is on the road except the plantation workers. Therefore, the condition of the vehicle and tires should be checked in advance.